How to fix Zwift Companion app not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can fix Zwift Companion app not working. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. So if a Zwift Companion app is not working, first of all, you'll need to check for your internet connection. Sometimes even the nastiest bug is due to your internet connection, so make sure that you're on a good and stable network. You can also use your mobile data if you want to. Just make sure that your connection is stable and strong. After you've done that, after you made sure that network is not an issue and you're still facing the issue, you can just go ahead to your settings, go to general and iPhone storage. From there you can search for Zwift Companion. Let me search for the app. So there we go. Now you can tap on offload and offload the app. After you offload the app, you can reinstall it back again and then the problem should be fixed. If not, you can always update the app to its latest version. So open up your app store, search for Zwift Companion, and if you see an update option, tap on update and update the app. And yeah, that's basically it. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and